somebody was screaming at fucktards down here. Sitting on a filthy fucking sidewalk, you piece of shits. Filthy fucking piece of sidewalk, you filthy shits. Maybe we'll have a fight. I don't know. What the fuck is happening? See, that's what these fuckers say. When somebody's screaming, they say shut the fuck up. Lose their buzz. Only they're allowed to fucking scream because they're fucking losers. But it sounds like someone's might be in trouble over there, but I can't see. Maybe this was this kid's papers. He's picking them all out, but I doubt it. Or he's not even a kid. But who knows? Feels like there's a fight in the air. This guy wouldn't come over and fight. Doesn't look like a fighter. Just wonder who's screaming over there. These guys here, you keep your fucking volume down. Sick of your fucking shit.